Hello, this is Richard Music. Today I'll be walking you through your free web analysis to show you how making a few changes to our website can turn it into a lead generation machine and really generate some revenue for our business each month. Now, to do this, we first have to understand how people are finding landscaping businesses in your area. Most people will simply just go to Google and type in whatever service or industry they want, plus the city name, and then they'll just pick from the first few results down below, or even from the map pack that I have up on the screen. Now, as you'll notice, there is 1,900 searches for landscaping in Houston each and every month. And if we can get our business in the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 1,900 possible customers will see our business first before looking at our competition. However, in order to do this, we'll need to do a few things first. So let's start with the Google Maps since we're already on the search engine results page. Now, the map pack is an important part of generating traffic for our business. And one of the factors it looks for when selecting where a company will rank is called citations. Now, citations are all the locations where your business name, address, and phone number are listed online. Now, currently, your top two competitors on MapPack and organic searches have 23 and 29 citations. Now, we'll want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition, so I recommend doubling the biggest number. So we'll need 58 citations in order to really move up in the map pack. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also have the organic search results section down below in this area here. And these results look for a few different things in the map pack. Now, let's take a look at your competitor's website and let's see how they're ranking on the first page. Now, you'll look at, we're seeing here Houston Landscapers, Natural Wonders. And you'll notice that they've built, a little bit of content on their site. And this content is filled with only 298 organic keywords and phrases. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do and where we operate from. And this is going to help them to put us in searches related to our business, such as the high volume and business related searches like landscaping. So we'll want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific while remaining very content rich. And I recommend a minimum of 750 to 1,000 words on the homepage. But content and keywords are not all that's needed. We also need backlinks. So, to get that push forward in the rankings. As content and keywords, they lay the foundation. Backlinks, they help give us that big push. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure. And if you take a look, you'll notice that your competitors have built only 25 backlinks to their website. And, that's really generated them some power and while bringing in an estimated search traffic of 115,000 each and every month. And this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as content and keywords, as well as their backlink structure. To capture this business for ourselves, we just simply need to go bigger and better than our competitors in every aspect, including backlinks. So I would recommend 50 backlinks along with our citations and content to dominate that first page ranking. Now, this concludes my free web analysis, leaving us with the question: what would this or even a fraction of this increased traffic do for your business each and every month? Thank you for taking the time to watch. I'll be following up with you to get your thoughts on my analysis and to confirm how useful this information has been to you. Again, this is Richard Music. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.